Hi, and thanks again for joining me on MTV this week. Today, for the first time ever, we're going to do the project profile on a house that had used the Monsta paints. And this house, as you can see up on the screen now, is the White House as we know it, and it is in Paddington, Brisbane. Last year I met Nat and Gerry, the owners of this house, a great couple that are very experienced in renovating homes and living in them for a while. And they showed me this place that at the time was a house which was basically an elevated house, timber home, totally gutted, and had refurbed it in a major way, both inside and out. They showed me the vision they had, and it was great. I actually shared an afternoon down there with them where they showed me around on all their thoughts and ideas, and then I got to go back some months later before we started with the paint and had seen how their dream was coming together. And now, as you can see these photos, it is a remarkable house. It's just so beautiful. If you ever get the chance to view it when you're down in Paddington, Brisbane way next, go and see this. It is just an incredible turnaround of what they had inherited and what they created. And for us it was a great joy because we got to supply them exterior paint, the snowy white, for all their exterior paint work. And so they had taken some sample pots out there, they had taken our colour cards which I had issued them, and they selected their various paints, the various colours they wanted, and had done a great job with that. And as you can see, there's just some beautiful use of colours and both design for interior and exterior with their tiles on the deck upstairs, the way they blended the timber work, had maintained some of the original look. And we had a great chance to ensure that the Monsta paints were there for them to deliver what they wanted, what they needed, and give them the finish for this beautiful home, now known as the White House, and over here we call it the Monsta White House. But it's a great one for us. So if you ever want to do something similar to what Nat and Gerry did, you get yourself a free set of sample cards. They're available for you. Just call our number or email us and we can give that to you. Order them online, and even easier. And secondly, if you want sample pots, which is the best way, you can get hold of those with the various colours you want, and you paint them out as Nat and Gerry did, and work out which is the colour that's going to suit your look the best. And if you want interior or exterior advice on colour matching, you've got our Monsta Pros. They can help you with the design selections. So please don't forget, if you want that assistance, you get a Monsta Pro. Get it right the first time. In Nat and Gerry's situation, Nat was an interior design specialist. She's got all the colour expertise up her sleeve. But for many of you who don't have that, get a professional on board, plan it right from the start, and build your dream home like they did. Until next time, I'll see you in another episode of